Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be showing you a demonstration, but also my thoughts on these products. So, QVC. I still buy from QVC. Now, I bought Laura Geller Balance and Brighten maybe, nearly 20 years ago perhaps. Still think it's one of the best foundations. It's a powder, but really a cream, but also a powder. Now, they generally come looking like this, and this is the medium shade. So I'm going to give you the full demo, the good and the kind of slightly bad about this product. So I got the super-sized ones from QVC. These contain 20 grams of product compared to the 9 grams that you see here. So let me show you what it looks like. So this one here is the Fair. Now, normally without a tan, I'll talk to you about the shade range in a sec, I would wear the Fair. I also got the Light, which is here. And then there's the Medium. Obviously, the Medium tends to be the best seller, which looks like this. Now, if I compare the Light and the Medium together, so this is the Light, this is the Medium. And if I compare the Medium to the Fair, so this is the Fair. They all look very similar, but they are different. The issue I've had with it is that I would be the Fair. However, the Fair without a tan is still too dark for my skin. But if I move to Porcelain, it's way too light. So there is discrepancies in the color, I think. To me, that Fair to me seems very, very light in terms of when I hear the word Fair. But the Fair here in Laura Geller is it's much more of a light to sort of almost a light medium, I think. But let me show you what it looks. I'm going to use the medium and I'm just going to buff this on to clean skin with nothing on it. And I'm going to do just this section. I'll do one half of the face to begin with. Now, what's great about this is it's a cream that's baked and it becomes this powder that you see here. It has good covering properties. It offers light to medium coverage that is definitely buildable. I don't find it to be particularly problematic, considering that it is a powder, but that's probably because it has that cream properties to it. So that's just one side done. It just evens things out. And I'll buff it in here. Now, because these are quite forgiving, if you were to get the Light and you were medium, you would be fine. If you were to get the medium and you were light, you would be fine. But I would like a slightly more accurate shade range. Now, they do blushes, which are so pretty, but very heavily shimmery. They do a balance in bronze, which is amazing. They do lots of things. I got these on QVC. You got 2 of these for £80, plus, I think it was £80, plus a giant size spackle, which is their primer. I bought a load of them. I bought a lot. And then shortly after I bought them, they were suddenly the exact same price, but just for one. Just saying, clearly people bought a lot. So I'm going to add some color to my face because it's all uniform at the moment. So it's summer, so I'm going to hit it with Exhibit A right in that center. And then I'm just going to dip down and get the highest point of my face, and then the bridge and sides of the nose. And because this is a powder, I'm just going to blend it in with that exact same brush, just so that it's uniform. Do love color on the skin. Do very much. And that is a demonstration of what Balance and Brighten can do. It is, when it comes to mineral foundation, Nude by Nature is my favorite, probably followed by Jane Iredale and Lily Lolo. When it comes to powder foundation, nothing beats the Laura Geller one because it is a cream but becomes a powder. So you get the coverage, but you don't get that ultra kind of matte look. And this is the original. They do a glow version, which is nice, but not my cup of tea. I don't feel comfortable wearing something in the day that has a lot of sparkle. It makes me feel self-conscious. But if you're looking for a more illuminating powder, it certainly would work. But this is lovely. I mean, it's just lovely. And I really did buy a load of these. I bought 4 of each color. And I bought 4 lots. So I bought a lot of it because I go through a lot of it. I mean, it's a really good finish. It's a lovely finish to the skin. It's brilliant. I'll leave a link or links to the Laura Geller, and you can pick and choose as you wish. I paired this in a previous video, or you may not have seen it yet, with a product called Tula Skincare, a filter primer. And this is it. And it looked beautiful. And in case you're wondering about the spackle, which I should have applied first, the spackle is amazing. It works really well under this. So there you go. There you go. Delicious. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.